So let's take a deep breath. Whoa. Oh, dear. Relax your body. Oh! Who's the next breath? Who's the next breath? Ah! Oh! Ah! You don't understand. I felt it everywhere here. Like the whole thing just opened. No, I liked it. Let's continue. Ah! This is good. Ah! So let's take a deep breath. Oh, dear. Okay, let's go. Oh! 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 Ah! Jesus. Ah! 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 Oh! I don't even know how to say I feel so pissed. There's nothing pain I'm feeling safe. There's even relief more, but yeah, well, this one is not pain now. But there's this second one. The back felt like I added in height itself. I think if I checked, I probably stretched me a bit. My height might have gone up a bit now. So from here to here, all the way down to my neck, sir.